Welcome to the second in the series of Windows 8 introductory videos. If you are new to Windows 8 and have not had an opportunity to view part 1 of this series, I suggest you do so now. Part 1 provides an introduction to basic navigation through Windows 8. Part 2 helps you locate some features that may be hard for you to find without assistance. As always happens with a new release of Windows, features have been moved to new locations and or renamed and can be very hard to find. So let's get straight to the point and move our cursor to the lower left corner of the screen and then right click. There you have it. Many of the missing features such as Control Panel and Device Manager are displayed on the resulting menu, and it is reassuring to know that they have not disappeared altogether. At the top of the list, you'll find Programs and Features, which, as many of you will recall, was once appropriately named Add Remove Programs or simply Uninstall a Program. I'm sure you have guessed by now that Programs and Features is used to view or uninstall programs and can also be used to view or uninstall Microsoft updates such as recent versions of Internet Explorer. Be careful in this area, because it is easy to remove things, but it can be a lot harder to put them back. Adventuresome customers have been known to remove something simply because they did not know what it was, only to find, for example, that an important feature such as sound had stopped working on their computer. Next, let us look at some features that can be very useful in the event that your computer becomes infected with malicious software, for example, or begins to function in some other inexplicably unacceptable manner. You can restore your operating system to factory specifications and start over with a brand new computer, provided the problem is software-based and not caused by failure of a hardware component. First, access the charms by moving your cursor to the extreme upper right corner of the screen and then moving it slowly down and to the right. Continue to move the cursor down, staying to the right, until you come to Settings, and then left click. Then click Change PC Settings, and on the resulting screen, select the General category. Then move your cursor to the right edge of the screen and scroll down to the options to refresh your PC without affecting files. Or remove everything and reinstall Windows. These functions do exactly what the titles imply. I recommend that you create a backup of your personal data, if any and if possible, before executing these options, and also be aware that you may need to reinstall some of your apps, your applications or programs on your new computer. There you have it. We hope you enjoyed this introduction and found it enlightening, and we welcome you to part 3 of this series. Enjoy your Windows 8 computer.